guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and in today's video, this is going to be a very fall, like sunset fall makeup tutorial. This is very fall, and you know, fall colors are dark and sparkly and nice, and I am just feeling this whole entire makeup right now. I am loving this. This is so pretty, so glowy and nice. And I just want to come on camera just to show you guys how I got this look. And let me know if you like me when I come on camera all full face beads, or you like it when I just come natural and I show you the full, full thing, how I do it. And then in the end, I show you the result. Let me know what you think about that. And yeah, I don't want to do too much chit chat. This is a very sunset fall makeup tutorial, and I hope you enjoy this makeup. Don't forget to subscribe down below, turn on that bell, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this makeup tutorial, this whole entire look. I'm feeling it. Oh my God. I'm looking at myself right now and I'm like, wow, you're so pretty. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay guys, so eyebrow is already on, nothing new here. I just did my eyebrow off camera. So now I am going to go into my tart shape tape, and this is tan sand. And all I'm going to do is just put it right onto my eyelid. And then I'm going to use a flat brush just to blend it out. And the reason why I put a little bit lighter, concealer onto my eyelid, because I really want those colors to pop really good. Right now it looks very weird and it looks like, oh my God, what are you doing? No, I know what I'm doing. Trust me, in the end, it will turn out perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just pat it in and just blend it out. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just set there because you don't want the shadows to crease up on you. So I'm gonna go ahead and set. Okay, so before I go any further with my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and take my Fenty. This is the Pro Filter Soft Matte, and I haven't used this in a long time, I know. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. And as you can see, I haven't used this in a long time, so it's like frozen or something. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put that. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead into my Hydrafacial, and this is serum and it have hyaluronic acid in it. You guys know that I always use this on my channel. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit onto my face. And you guys know how hyaluronic acid is really good for your skin. So make sure that, whatever you're using, whatever serum you're using, it has hyaluronic acid in it. Okay, so now that the face is all moisturized, I'm going to go ahead and let it sit into my skin. That's the reason why I didn't start with my eyes first. So now I'm going to start with the eyes, and I'm only going to take one palette, and the palette that I'm going to be taking is a Sahara by Juvia's Place. God, I love their palette so much. So bright. It's so pretty for the fall season and also the summer. This is like a universal. So I don't know what I'm going to do right now, but I want to do something like fall, like sunset fall. I might name my tutorial that, I don't know, but I am going to go in with this shade right here. This one is called Jamila, and I'm going to put it onto a flat, like a small brush, not too big. And I want to focus this color right into the crease, like at the outer corner here first. And I'm just going to pat a lot onto the other corner until I get the consistent that I need. And then I'm going to go ahead and just blend it in. And I'm taking it a little bit above the crease and also into the crease. And this will be my transition shade. I'm also pulling it out just to get that little, that little wing. So I'm just going to pull it out just a little bit. And you just want to keep on working it until you get the, you know, the color that you desire. If you want to go a little bit lighter, you just don't put a lot. But you know me, I want to go hard, and I'm just going to pack it on, and then I'm going to blend it out. It's all about blending when you're doing your eyes. It's all about blending. Okay guys, so I did one side off camera because while I was doing this, I wasn't feeling the vibes, to be honest, because I never wear such a bright color on my, well, I did, I really did, I'm lying, I did. But I was really liking the way how it was turning out, so I was like, you know what, let me do one side off camera to see how it turned out, and then I'm gonna come back and do the other side and show you how I get this side. So as you can see how it looks very pretty. I kind of go ham on the wing. I didn't want it to be so thick, but don't worry, I'm going to clean up with concealer when I put it on my eyes. So what I did, I take this shade right here. This one is called, to be honest, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm just going to go put it up on the screen. That's the one I chose, and I did use my fingers, and I didn't cut my crease. So I'm just going to go ahead, and it's very creamy and pigmented. So if you want, you could cut your lid. You don't have to. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it right on first. Just like that. It's very, very, very pigmented and creamy. And then what I did, I went ahead and I used a flat brush and I just dip it in a little bit. And then I use this now just to cut the lid. I just got to do it the hard way, and as you can see, I have a lot of fallout, but it's okay. And that's the reason why I didn't do my face first, because I know I'm gonna have fallout. I'm also gonna wet my brush just a little bit. So next I'm gonna go into a flat top brush, and the second color that I take was this one right here, Sakoto. I'm gonna take it onto the same brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pat it right at the corner, just to blend both together. And then I'm also gonna bring it right into the crease. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into my NYX Super Skinny Eye Liner, and I really love this so much, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some wing, and I can't talk while I'm doing my wing, so okay guys, so I don't know if they look like twin or sisters. I don't know, they look like sisters, not twin, but don't worry about that, I'll fix it up later on. Don't worry about it. So now I'm gonna go into my Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. Love, 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 love. As I had mentioned earlier, that Benefit need to come out with different colors. Like I need some colors onto my lashes, and Benefit need to do some colors, because I would be so happy. Don't you? Would you be happy if Benefit come up with, you know, different colors? I don't know if they do have it though yet. I think that yet. Never mind. I was just talking to myself. But as I was saying, that this mascara is bomb. This is bomb.com. Do they still say that? Oh God. I love it so much. All right, so next I'm gonna take my Kiss Wing. This say human here, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on because I want the focus to be onto the eyes, mostly the colors onto my eyes. So this one is very, very, very natural, and I got this from my beauty supply store. I only paid $3 for it, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so next I'm gonna take my Fenty, and I'm in the shade 420, and I'm gonna shake it up. I haven't used this in a long time, and I missed it so much. I miss it, and it just looks so natural on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pump a few onto my hand. And then what I'm gonna take, am I gonna take a beauty blender or a brush? Okay, I'm gonna take a brush and just put it right onto it. Just blend it out. Okay guys, so I'm all done with my foundation, and as you can see that it did blend my neck. It blends well into my neck. So pretty, so natural, so flawless. I love this so much. I miss it. I really do. Every time I put it on, I'm just madly in love over and over again. So next I'm going to go back into the Tarte, and this one is the deep. As I had mentioned, I went in with the tan sand. Now I am going to contour. Now I am going to conceal with deep. I'm also going to go ahead and contour. Yes, I'm cream contouring today, and I'm going to take my espresso in matte stick, and this is from Fenty. I'm just going to go ahead. Just going to contour just a little bit. Yeah, that's it. That's it. And then I'm going to blend it out. I am first going to blend out the concealer first. So now I'm going to take my brush that I use for my foundation, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that contour out. And I really want a natural looking contour, so that's the reason why I didn't put too much. Don't watch my edges. That's my stocking cap. I'm doing the ball method stocking cap, so don't watch my edges. And I'm just going to go ahead and just pinch this just right here so that I could blend out the nose part. Okay guys, so the same, I'm going to go into the same colors into the palette, and I'm going to take, whatever color that I put onto the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and put it onto the bottom. Okay, now I am going to go into the waterline, if that's what you call it. I don't know what you call it. And I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it there. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow. So I'm going to go back into my Bad Gal Bang mascara, and I'm just going to go ahead and coat down there. Okay, next I'm going to go into my powder contour from NYX. And I'm just going to go ahead and set that contour that I did earlier. So next I'm going to go into my MAC finishing powder, and this one is in the shade NW45, and I'm going to put it all over my face. So afterwards, I am going to go into my Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Fix Spray. Love this so much, and I'm going to spray my face. And you guys know I drench my skin. So next I'm going to take my Anastasia. This one is in Aurora Glow Kit. And I'm going to take, what shade should I take? I think I'm going to take Lyrica and Eclipse. Maybe Eclipse. I don't know. But I'm going to take Lyrica first. Wow, so pretty. Look at that. So gorgeous. Okay guys, so next I'm going to go into my lip liner. This one is in Currently. I got it from the beauty supply store, and this one is ColourPop, and this one is, what shade is this? Saturday. This is Saturday. This is not Saturday, but I love this too, so I'm going to go ahead and take it.